Danes prirejamo sprejem ob kitajskem novem letu, tokrat vstopamo v leto kitajskega konja. GZS to dela tradicionalno s hongkonškim trgovinskim in ekonomskim uradom z Berlina. Na tovrstnem dogodku se bo letos zbralo 100 slovenskih poslovnežev, ki to priložnost bolj ali manj izkoristijo za obnovitev in negovanje poslovnih kontaktov s slovensko poslovno skupnostjo in pa predstavniki hongkonških institucij.
The year of the horse will be a year of high energy, which brings excellent opportunities to all of you here. Now, in our culture, in Chinese culture, horse is always equated with speed, power, endurance, and elegance. So it's also a symbol of speedy success. So I'm sure the coming year will bring you lots of opportunity, and I strongly encourage you to seize the opportunities in the coming year. And the opportunities could appear in the fast-growing Asian market, particularly in China. So the consensus seems to be that Asia, particularly China, will continue to enjoy above average growth and be one of the engines to propel global economic recovery. So as the ideal gateway to China, Hong Kong will continue to benefit from growth in the region. So this encouraging figure means that there would be more business opportunities for our friends here in Slovenia. So when I looked at our bilateral trade figure last year, we saw a very healthy growth of 18.4% growth in our import from Slovenia, and also a 16.6% growth in the total bilateral trade between Hong Kong and Slovenia. And we also see great potential for further growth in our bilateral ties. While our bilateral trade has shown very encouraging growth last year, but I believe there's always potential to do even better. So I look forward to working closely with all of you to explore room for further collaboration between our two economies. Let me conclude by wishing you and your family members a very healthy and prosperous year of the horse.
Kitajska je relativno velik trg in predstavlja pri nas kar eno tako velik potencial, tako da smo lani že inštalirali kar dosti veliko mašino in letos se pripravljamo 2 nove, tako da si obetamo zelo veliko od kitajskega trga.
Tudi v letošnjem letu se bomo odpravili v Šangaj. Pripravljamo logistično delegacijo v Šangaj in sicer v juniju mesecu skupaj z gospodarsko zbornico in Združenjem za promet. V tej delegaciji bomo obiskali sejem, to je svetovni sejem logistike in transporta v Šangaju, in bomo imeli tudi B2B srečanja z zainteresiranimi podjetji iz Kitajske in pa seveda slovenskih logistov.